What a gorgeous day. Air temperature is 57, but it's 0 wind and it's bright sunny, and water temperature is 61.99. We're going fishing. Hopefully it's going to be a great day. Come on along. Yeah. There it goes. It's caught on some grass. That's a nice looking fish. Right, let's net him. All right. Nice fish. Let's see how big he is, or she is, I should say. All right, that's 17.5 inches. £2 pounds, 11 ounces. And I dare say, well, that's a female. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by. All right, what'd I get it on? That's a skinny dipper, swim bait. I did some coloring on it, chartreuse tail, some red in the gills. Not sure if it makes any difference, but I did. And this is a mustad hook, and I poured this myself, the lead, and then painted it myself. That's an 1/8 ounce weight on this belly here. I don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks like in the water. Now, where did I get that fish? That fish I got right along the edge of the large pads here. Let's go try it again. Water temperature now is 62.95 when I caught that fish. A couple of minutes ago, it's 9:59 right now, so almost 10 o'clock. And it's bright and sunny. 63-degree air temperature at 4-mile-an-hour winds out of the northwest. This is a mud flat here. And eventually plants will start to grow on top of here. And it'll look like a forest on there. But it's open underneath. All this mud that you see is floating. But sometimes it's a little bit hard to get through this. You got to find a little hole, let it go. And it can sometimes take Quite a bit of effort to get there. All right, I'm through that time. Got him flipping in those floating hyacinths. All right, let's see how big he is. He's not very big, but 14 and a half. Look at how dark he is. And from being in this cover all the time. Okay. Well, he was excited to go home. That fish was not at the very bottom. Let the bait hit the bottom. I brought it up to the top. I jiggled it a little bit. I was actually about ready to pick it up out of the water, and he hit it. So he was right under the surface, or he followed it up. I'm not sure. Put this through the middle of the bait as much to this side, to the hook side, as I can to make enough plastic to, if I get caught on things, it doesn't pop the hook through the bait and get caught in the weeds. Okay, here we go again. Now sometimes there's more than one in that area, so I'm going to go back here and flip that again. Now I'm just under the hyacinths. See the alligator laying there? It's probably got to take off when I get a little closer. Yeah, he's getting nervous. There he goes. He was right under the mat, but not on the bottom. Just like that last one. 15 inches. It's undoubtedly a female. Look at the belly on that one. $115. Doesn't weigh that much. It's shorter. Just under the mat, close to the surface though. Okay, here we go. See you later. Goodbye. You know what? He was exactly in the same spot as the last one. All right, let's see how big this one is. Just a shade more than 15 inches. So I don't think it's the same fish. All right, he's 111, or she. Okay, see you later. Well, I've decided to go to the outside Kissimmee grass edge and throw moving baits as well as worms. I threw worm for quite a while. Now I'm throwing a spinner bait and not even a bite, but let's keep going. Well, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. Water temperature is 67.13. Air temperature is 75. Since I stopped flipping, I haven't caught anything. So I'm kind of thinking I should have stayed flipping, but I didn't. So I've been fishing outside grass lines and I didn't get anything. So I'm gonna head in. Thanks for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed the trip. Come again. Have a nice day. Bye now.